Shesha Exports, a renowned technology integrated manufacturer and exporter of quality garments to the global market. Situated in the heart of the global knit city, Tirupur, with a pristine and verdant environment. The company has a thorough understanding in the garment manufacturing, equipped with world-class integrated facilities to produce premium and sustainable products. The company aggregates its value across the entire value chain in creating a wide range of quality garments with innovative and tenable technologies. The company's product exclusivity extends with a strong portfolio in baby garments, men and women's sportswear and high-fashion knitted wear. With the best in world-class standard machinery, the company holds a strong presence in the global market. Every garment produced at Shesha undergoes a thorough quality check and are packed by experts to ensure standards and end-user expectations. The company works with leading brands across the globe for decades, not just by quality standards, but also with its green imprint in developing eco-conservative products. To build a circular economy, Shesha Exports ensures high-scale efficiency, consistent quality, and a sustainable product range alongside a harmonious working environment.